step on the stage and the whole club is rocking. I get the party moving, ain't nobody stopping. Chris to the Rouse, aka Big C. I'm repping that crew, faces Zinc Agency. Beats get destroyed when I'm on the track. I'm on a whole nother level, so buddy, just step back. Like Bill Shakespeare, I am a poet, and my swag is so clean, I ain't afraid to show it. I may be small, but I pack a punch. Crisp and tasty like a Nestle's Crunch. I got the skills to pay all my bills, and my flow is so cold that it will give you chills. Rocking this boat, all I need is a mic. You thought you could keep up, but you better think twice. Fire off rhymes like a gun, pow. They be so killer that they make you say wow. On this boat with Global Stars Network, I'm getting on these beats and I always murk. Chris Rouse, baby, you know I don't play around. I'm looking to score, gotta get the touchdown. I create storms known as hurricanes. I'm going wild on the beat, I just can't be tamed. Coming out of Faytown to 479. You can't divide me, you can call me Prime. I may rap, but I don't act like a thug. I won't bust the cap, I'll just give you a hug. But don't try to play me like I'm a punk. I'm fresh, I'm clean, but you stink like a skunk. I'm setting this rap game on fire. It's getting too hot for you, time to retire. Russ is grabbing the game, and I'm shaking it. Got my eyes on the prize, and I'm taking it. Just like Da Vinci, I am an artist. And like my masterpiece, my art is flawless. So go ahead and catch me if you can. Forget them other suckers, I am the man.